Hi, my name is Brian McDonald. I'd like to welcome you to Addy Media. Addy Media is a company that's dedicated to transforming the sales of local companies. And there's lots of different ways that we've done this in the past. But right now what we're focused on is a recent change by Google, which has basically upended and transformed how search results are presented. And what that means for you, if you're a local company, is that now, as a local company, you're now preferred over national companies. You see, in the past what would happen is if someone was looking for your company or maybe a service within your sector, Google would often prefer to route that traffic, to route that search to a large national company, perhaps a big company that used to pay them a lot of money or had a very sophisticated SEO strategy, but not anymore. What Google is now doing is they're taking advantage of a big technology shift. And what is that shift? Well, I can guarantee you know what it is because you have it in your hand every day. It's your phone. Yes, your phone is now a little mini computer. In fact, it's probably more powerful than computers that we had 10 years ago. And these phones now, because they have GPS technology, can actually tell these search engines where you are. Now, in one sense, that's a little creepy. But on the other hand, that's also an opportunity because they often ask your permission, and then once they get your permission, then they route you to places that you might want to go. They present search results that are relevant to where you are geographically. So now that they have that information, they've changed their algorithm. And their algorithm is basically driving all this new traffic to local businesses. But right now, a lot of people aren't tuned into this. This has literally been something that happened just very recently. So if your company or your local business, maybe you guys weren't the first to adopt new technologies. Maybe you were late to the internet parade. Maybe you just missed it altogether. But here's the bottom line. This is like a do-over. If you would like to dominate your niche, if you're frustrated, if you're feeling a lot of financial pressure, well, I know because I used to own a small business that there's a lot of pressure. You've got tax authority, you've got insurance, you've got healthcare, you've got employers, you've got vendors, you've got all kinds of people that are coming at you all the time. And I know for a fact that there's nothing that takes that kind of pressure off than increasing your sales. And if you've never had the experience of doing one or two things in terms of technology that transform your sales, that really bump it up 20, 30, 50%. Well, I've experienced that. And let me tell you, it's a fun ride. It's a lot more interesting to operate your business, to grow your business when you're not always in your business. And by driving your sales with technology, you can start to work strategically on your business. It's a lot more interesting, it's a lot more fun, and I'd like to work with you on that. So if you're interested in tapping into this enormous transformation in terms of what's going on, then please contact us and let's talk about where you are in your marketplace and how we could affordably put you in a position where you can start to drive new clients to you and you can start to dominate your particular market niche. Thank you very much for your attention, and if we can help you, if we can serve you in some way, please let us know. Call us at the number below, or you can fill out the form and we'll send you a report and we'll be happy to follow up with you.